Look at my garden. So we have some blueberries coming. They're very tart. I assume they're going to get very blue. But it'll just be a blueberry snack, not a big blueberry bushel. My raspberries didn't come up, but maybe next year. We have strawberries. There's some. Here's one. Another green one. So we have a few strawberries. Rosemary is doing well. Oregano, some volunteer tomatoes. Here's our pepper tire, mainly hot peppers. I think this is the only bell pepper. And then there's the rosemary from last year, looking good. We have the tomato tire with basil. I believe that's a variegated basil. Yes. And I think the only tomato I've seen so far is that little, I can see, this little tomato. Can you see? There we go. That little tomato. These are all tomatoes that came up from last year's plants and seeds. I need to thin that out. I think I'm gonna pull some of those out. Cucumber. And then here's the okra. I think we have some baby. Can you see that? Baby okra coming out. Another bell pepper plant here. Variegated sage. Then this is watermelon, I believe. There's a cantaloupe plant here. And then some cucumbers. And we have one. Can you see that? Nice size cucumber. And then some small ones here and here. So I got some things growing.